Burkina Faso's president, Captain Ibrahim Traore, is rewriting the narrative of the prison system. Instead of punishment, he's offering a second chance. His groundbreaking initiative is transforming prisoners into farmers, giving them skills, dignity, and a future beyond bars. How is he doing it? Stay with me to find out. Across Africa and the world, prisons are often places of despair, overcrowded, underfunded, and offering little hope for a better future. Many inmates leave prisons only to return because they have no skills, no opportunities, and no way to rebuild their lives. But President Traore has a different vision. Instead of simply locking people away, Traore's approach focuses on rehabilitation. His government believes that every individual has potential, and with the right opportunities, they can reintegrate into society as productive citizens. This mindset shift is crucial in tackling the root causes of what? Crime. Since coming to power, Ibrahim Traore has made it his mission to reform Burkina Faso's prison system. His government has introduced a revolutionary agricultural program that teaches inmates how to farm. What is the goal? To equip them with essential skills so that when they step out of prison, they can sustain themselves and their families. This man did not stop there. The initiative also includes mentorship from experienced farmers, workshops on financial literacy, and business training. This ensures that upon release, former inmates not only have the skills to farm, but also understand how to run a business and generate income. This initiative doesn't just change individual lives. It boosts the economy, strengthens food security, and lowers crimes. Instead of being labeled as criminals, these men and women are given a second chance to contribute meaningfully to society. Experts suggest that if this program continues to expand, it could serve as a model for other African nations looking to reform their prison systems. The long-term benefits are undeniable. Improved food production, lower recidivism rates, and a more rehabilitative approach to justice. So, what do you think about Ibrahim Traore's bold prison reform? Could this be the future of justice in Africa? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you love inspiring African stories like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Also, share this video with your friends and family. The more people who hear about this incredible initiative, the more awareness we can create around positive change in Africa. Together, we can support a future of opportunity and rehabilitation, not just for me, but for all. Thank you.